So right, what's up? For like this past 2 weeks now, I feel like the market is just like against the Nigeria. Like, bruh, throughout last week and this week, yeah, all my setup was like in a place. Like these setups were clear and smooth. I knew that if this didn't take me out in on BE on break even, I would have been floating in like some mad profit right now. Because Monday, I think I didn't trade on Monday. No, I did trade on Monday, but it came out being a loss. And Tuesday I didn't trade. Wednesday I didn't trade. So Thursday, yeah, I guess Thursday I took one setup on NAS, and it was the this thing. I mean, my strategy, as soon as it swept that liquidity, I saw what we call it, an energetic move to the buy side. But there's this 15 minutes inside another block that inside a very short block that will stop the price. So, and eventually I placed my entry. I saw my entry. I saw the favor lookup. I saw the inverse, and I saw the swing high. There was swing high in this trade. For you to know how sure and confident I was about the setup on Thursday, right? So I took the trade. Then imagine now started. You just decided, okay, I'm finna be like, I just want to consolidate, and this thing start consolidating. Like, I didn't move my stop loss at first because I feel like, bro, this thing I already gave us that energetic move on the 15 minutes, because the energetic move we gave on the 15 minutes is closing above like the previous candlestick week, and I'm feeling it like, oh yeah, this is something. That's why I moved. I skid like lower into the lower time frame, and saw this thing. So the market was playing out, and eventually the market decided to come back to that swing high, seek me out with two fucking tick, bro. Bro, I'm even mad right now. I'm mad, like two fucking ticks, nigga. So yeah, it took me out because they did for a little bit and broke lower. Okay, now I'm seeing like a clear response from it. It has broken out. It has swept like my swing high. It has swept it and it has broken lower. So this is giving me like a more higher confidence to enter the trade again, bro. Bam! I saw another entry again. We swept the high, we broke lower, we did the favor lookup shit, and that I placed my this thing, my limit on the previous order block here. It stopped me in, and during that time there was this news that came out. I wasn't sure. No, this was Friday I was talking about, but Thursday there was this move that we just had. This was the move. So yeah, the move went to like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So I was like, okay, maybe the movement has started already. Then I placed my stop loss in break even, because we've broken some major highs on the lower time frame, just for us to pull to the buy side liquidity. Bruh, if I tell you that this shit, right, this shit came back, come on, it's my break even, nigga, and just dumped to buy side, and everything is just done to buy side. Like, guys, I'm coming back. My mama they call me. Hold on. So as I was saying, right, and this market just went down straight to my TP, like beyond my TP self. And you see that was one win. One loss on Thursday and one break even on that same Thursday. And I knew there was still another draw on liquidity that this NAS was still going to get to. But as per se, I don't max out my total setup for the day, because I do take 2 setup, only 2. Either I win or lose, I'm off for that day. Just 2 setup, and I think Friday on was the most brutal one. Like, Friday, everything was clean, sweet. The same entry also. We swept the liquidity. We are attacking the next one on same NAS. So this same NAS, I enter my entry day 1 minute off of a breakout. Alright, I enter and this leads me to like This them is like people that you see that they are using like 5 point or 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip stop loss. Nigga, it's not it's not easy like that. Like trust me, man. Even though you are entering on the 1 minute, you cannot engineer the draw on liquidity to like fall in your favor or in the time that you expected it to drop. You might have seen the setup that have formed, it has swept this thing, it has given you that fair value gap or breaker block or whatsoever or other block. Then you imagine this thing just be like, okay, let me just weak eye and take that swing eye that is there or that swing blue and takes you out with another 2 points. That was on Friday. And fast forward, I was still pretty confident that this Friday we were going to go higher, we were going to attack the high. Like, bro, I saw my setup again. That same Friday, I saw the same thing again. I placed it on 1 minute. Stop loss was like 20 or 18 or 11. Yeah, I think stop loss was like 11 pips. So imagine, are you telling me that 11 pips like that, I'm not giving this thing like enough space that that protected low, that protected high is not going to get there again because there's a swing low and there's a swing high or a swing low there that has swept liquidity before the thing split to either buy side or sell side. So as I got in on that one, the market starts changing again. I was losing confidence on it because I was really down on my funded accounts, right? So I was really careful about the risk management. I was just trailing my stop loss. I just kept that stop loss on BE. So like $4 I was trying to lose, right? I just put it on $4. Okay, $4 to make 47, I think. And this was like major 1 to 8 this thing, 1 to 8 trade. But as soon as there was news on Friday, was there news on, no, there was no news on Friday. I will check, but I'll try to post this the screenshot of those trades right here, and you see what the fuck is going on, right? So yeah, that Friday too was actually the same thing. I put my stop loss on BE. Unfortunately, since it came back and come and hit that my stop loss again, save. So to now really Thursday, now we use like 10 pips stop loss or 20 pips save gone or lower. You never even show you think will hit that 20 pips stop loss just learn here. You let them lie for you.
He got cooked. You didn't go down like that, huh? He got cooked.